Hello friend, this is Sumit and welcome to my channel Enroll to Learn. Today I am going to tell you about 5 apps, 5 different kind of application which you should have in your mobile and which can come handy at any time. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. Okay, so in the beginning, the 5 apps, first one I have is Send Anywhere. Send Anywhere is an app which is used to share data, videos, photos, application or anything else. So if you are going to ask me why Send Anywhere, because we have lot of apps in the market or on the Play Store which does same kind of work like Share It, Zender, but I am suggesting this Send Anywhere because of two reasons. First, this is free, of course those are also free, but this one is without any ads. Okay, and second, the design and is very minimalistic and very easy. So once you open the app, you will know okay how to use, how to start and work on this app. You don't need any guidance. Okay, for just example, I will click on this app. Best thing is you don't need to register anything on this. Suppose you want to share any videos, any audio, any photo. Suppose I want to share any audio, I'll select this audio and I'll click on send. Second thing, the person who want to receive, he should have the same app on his mobile. Once he has the app, either he can open the app and scan the code here is given, or you can share him the link, or he can just put down this 059456 code. Once you put the code, the data will start transferring. The best thing about this app is the transfer rate is very good. It is minimalistic and it doesn't need anything much. The app also doesn't take a lot of space in your mobile. And one more thing good about this app, that you can use this app on your PC or laptop also. Suppose you want to transfer anything to your laptop or PC, you can use the same app. You have to download the same app on your PC on your laptop also, and you are good to go. Okay guys, the second app on my list is Video Compressor. As the name suggests, this is a compressor. This is used to compress pictures and videos. So let's open this app. Once you open this app, okay, let me go back. You can see you can compress video on the top and compress photo. Suppose you want to compress any video, just click on the folder, hit the video, and you'll see a lot of option. First is compress video, then second is cut and compress. You can cut and compress video, fast forward. The best thing in this app I can see is the extract mp3. You can cut the audio from a video. So like I said, this is a very small app in terms of storage, but it can do a lot of things for you. It should be the second app which you should have on your mobile. As we move forward, the third app on my list is Cam Scanner. As the name suggests, this is a scanner which can be used to scan files, documents and the pictures. In the free version, let me open the Cam Scanner first. In the free version, you have the option to scan one documents one by one. Okay, if you go for an upgrade of the premium version, you can see here you have few more options to do, like business card, ID card, like front and back side. Scanning is simple, easy. Click on the camera icon, select the thing which you want to scan and hit it, press. Okay, let me show you one thing. Like I scanned this item from a book, a kid's book. Now if I want to share this scanned item, I have few options to share it, like a PDF file, image file, or you can create a link also of this file. Apart from this, you have one more option to send it to PC. So this is a very useful and handy app in terms when you don't have a scanner with you, or when you are outside for a business, maybe you are traveling in a train or anywhere, and you have some documents with you and somebody want it as soon as possible but in a scan format. So this app will help you to send those items quickly without wasting any time. So moving forward, the fourth app which I have on my list is Splitwise. Splitwise is a kind of application which is used to track the expenses which you have done in a group. Suppose you have a group of 4 or 5 person, you went for a movie and only one person paid for the movie. Now instead of asking each and everyone, you can ask your friends to download this app. You can split your expenses over here, and it will show that how many person has to pay to other. And instead of asking again and again, you can put the reminder here. So according to me, this is a very good app which you should have if you have a group of people or friends, and if you go like hangout and if you do expenses in a group. So this is an easy way to track all your expenses. So now we move forward to our last app. This is last but not the least. The last app is Color Note. Every mobile has a default app which is used to store text, but I want you to suggest Color Note because of two reasons. It is very easy to use and it has few good options which I'll show you. Let me hit here. Okay, once you click on plus, you will see two options: text and checklist. Text everybody know, but checklist is something different. Let me show you an example of like this. I make a checklist, market. Okay, let me edit it, and suppose you're going to market the items which, suppose you're going computer market, if you want to buy computer or laptop, but with computer or laptop you want to buy something else also. So what you need to do, you need to hit here and write the topic: laptop first. Second, you want to buy with laptop wireless mount, you want a keyboard also, and you want a LAN wire for modem. So when you go in the market, suppose you already bought laptop, you can cross the laptop. You bought mouse, okay, keyboard, done. So in this way you can remember what things are pending. One more thing in this app which is very good is you have the option to lock. So once you hit on lock, it will ask you to create a password. See, I already have a password, that's why it is asking me password. So you can create a password and you can lock particular notes or your checklist. Let me remove this. Okay, if I go back, one more thing, the settings. If you go in the settings, you can connect it with your Gmail or Yahoo or whatever the account you have. Suppose you want to change your mobile, or suppose you are outside somewhere but you have some important things in your application. So what you can do, you can install this app on another mobile, connect it with your Gmail account or whatever it is, and you can get all the details over there. So in case if you forgot your mobile also, and if you want to collect any data, you can collect it easily. Before finishing the videos, let me tell you the apps which we use. The first is Send Anywhere, second is Video Compressor, third is Cam Scanner, fourth is Splitwise, and the fifth is Color Note. So these are the 5 apps you must have in your mobile, which can save a lot of time and a lot of energy. So I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, press the like button. If you don't like the video, just hit the dislike button, and do subscribe and put in the comments whatever you feel about the video. Before I sign off, as you see on my screen, stay home, stay safe, keep safe distance, wash your hands and wear mask. So this is Sumit signing off now. See you later. Ma salama.